Hi everyone, welcome. Today we have this platform called Monday, and this is the best project management software. So before we begin, consider heading over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto the platform. Jumping straight on, you can see since this is project management software, we have this really nice board representation with to-do list going on. You can also modify using these three dots. You can collapse the script. You can select all tasks, add a group, duplicate this group. So basically this is a group that is formed. You can also move it to a different board. You can see I have currently this board. We can also rename it if we want. So now it is created by me. So in here you can also add different type of rows and columns. Like for example, let's add in here files. We can incorporate different type of files in here as well, and you can also switch between workspaces. So if you want to add another workspace, add in here something different. If you want to do, you can also choose the privacy, whether you want it to be open or closed. You can add workspace, and now it is added. So you can also start with templates. You can see the members. If you want to add some members, you can do that. The crown icon shows the owner. You can see the permissions. So add from a template. You can get a head start with the template. Let's just choose this one and use this template. Just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up, and you will be able to see our board is getting ready. And here you can see we have tasks going on. You can also simply choose to minimize it or maximize it, of course. And if you want to simply full screen set it or rename it, you can do everything. It is really handy. On the top you can see your tables, timeline, you have your team workload, and much more. So it is really integratable and fully flexible for your management that you're going to be ever needing. So it is a really popular site. I highly recommend it. I use it myself as well. So talking about its reviews, of course, they are going to be 100% nice and 5 stars. You can see cornerstone of cross-functional teams, all-in-one project solution, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. See you guys around in the next video.